Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka RC Eve Secondary School Mihmyntdu ha kharwai tarik leber kelas Sdang ka annual school sports meet ba arsngi Hamadan mukan phat Mihmyntdu. Ya kani ka sports meet lawan play do uba Octom 1 lamen nominated MDC JHADC Hagjonalang Ufada Augustine Lamin, Chairman School Managing Committee, Kakong Jessica Biam, Head Teacher and Secretary SMC, Nalor Kinahikai Batki Khana School. Ufada Augustine Lamin, Chairman SMC, Hagjinkran Ulasneng Lakrao Yaki Khana Banlong, Kikna Kibanang Bandri Yaka Akor Kaburam, Bat Ban Im Hakanong Rim Jong Gajingalap Markalyang Bat Penshuru, Bandan Kamansiam Yale Banpoi Shakathong. Uba Oktomwat Lamin Ulaong Kikna School Bat Kisamla Kanika Juk Kilong Kibadonbok Namar ka Sorkar Kalamang Kerpang Yakila Chingarap Nakabenta Jongki Kumta Ulu Kentui Kikna Don Sap Hakijinglekai Sports Paper Bantre Shitom Bat Ban Penon Kamhok Yakasap Kum Kada Kajing Plia ka Sports Meet Uba Oktomwat Lamin Ulapan Hair Yakalama Ban Shim Salute Haka March Pass Bala Shim Benta Diki South Liki House Ka Red, Blue, Green Bat Yellow House
Ka sport hawa panman ka skor em ga kajingmut ko krova na kabanta yung pikam gi khana hagini kisngi pathan gyo katni ka generations ko phi impe play compare buk yung i go dep chiden human hag yung i man ga wisap ai hanrai ha yung i ka por ka generations ko lai jo ong ki bai ki pai i krak kot pha kon yo pas pe hanrai ngapai hagini ka generations ko yung phi go katni unto du ka krak kot ha bo pas sai kisap kitalan kyong pila yo hoy bro yo man bro pe ne bha ilawong eta hawaro ki benta emlot ki activities wo pi yo pi take part leng ba yong ki take part yong pi ni ki activities la pi wan pi chikmat kalat pi em chwa go kani man ko bi ni ki benta koi kulang chrup start itep ki extra activities ko plai ewe la da hekra heki namo hepat sport na hewan ni bentala ke benta ko kong san tam to perkhat ito wa kamon ngapan em kam hok ye yi ngayo
to learn the art of discipline, to learn the art of working together, to learn the art of helping each other, to learn the art of self-giving throughout these events. Though you are competing to win a prize, but don't forget to help each other, that we win together. A winning that is winning only for ourselves, sometimes it may not be so much enjoyable to celebrate a winning that is alone. But when we win as a team, when we win as a group, that winning gives us a lot of joy. But if one person wins alone, that game is not so enjoyable. But if everyone wins together, that game is that activity or that sports gives us a lot of joy, a lot of encouragement, a lot of hope in our life.
First is the Blue House, representing loyalty, strength, and perseverance, led by their house captain, Gospel Chairman, and the flag bearer, Mary Margaret Lummery. Following them is the Green House, symbolizing growth, harmony, and sportsmanship, led by their house captain, Pastor Bon Power, and the flag bearer, Jairus Power. And now we will welcome Mr. Puskemi Lummery with the flag bearer, Ms. Dala Arki Lummery. some amateur, and also our
Ladang ya don kanu ka kamru ka bangin hap ya keren ya penbej ki kamru ku mengalong ya Mihmyntdu don kam lasong kai ni songin. Ya keren hi hang ni barako. Kata kalong ka karukom im jang diri undai. Langit ndaki briu ke ya be kata ka kum ka juk ka pamta kan kanduk kani ka jong man barim bon ki ai baro ki balik uman barim ki ladu